Welcome to today's lesson, where we're going to discuss media codes, their purpose, and the different categories they fall under. Let's dive in. Media codes are tools that we use to suggest meaning in media products. What do we mean by suggest meaning, though? Well, in creative media products, we often need to make the audience understand where they are, what they're doing, how they should be feeling, and what they might expect to happen. Unfortunately, we can't just explain that to them, as that would take too long and be quite boring. Instead, we need to show them. Media codes do this by using certain techniques that have an agreed meaning. For example, we know that the color red means danger, an exclamation mark means warning, and a dark woods is scary. Every type of media product you can think of uses media codes to convey meaning, create impact, and engage audiences. There are 3 types of media code. These are technical codes, symbolic codes, and written codes. First up, let's discuss technical codes. Technical media codes include any element of the media product that is created using technique, processes, or equipment. The way we use equipment can help to tell a story and share a lot of information with an audience. For example, a camera panning between 2 people could be used to create tension. Some common technical codes include camera techniques, such as how a close-up shot can help to show a character's emotion in a scene. Lighting, such as how bright lighting can be used to imply more natural lighting in a scene, so the audience knows they're outside in the day. And audio, such as how creepy background music can give a feeling of suspense and create tension in the audience. Symbolic media codes include any element of the media product created using symbolic elements. This means using a product or effect to create a feeling or add a hidden meaning. Typically, the meaning of these codes don't come from media, but the real world. However, we can use the context we gain from the real world to add meaning to our media products. For example, a rainy scene in a film can symbolize sadness and despair. Some common symbolic codes include mise-en-scene, such as using costumes and props that are accurate to the time for a period film. Color, such as using red in a pop-up message on a website to imply an error has occurred. And graphics, such as using hearts in a video game interface to imply that is the player's health. Written codes include using written text styles and effects to create meaning. We know there are different ways that text can be written, and we understand that these imply certain things. An example might be how different fonts can convey meaning, such as large decorative fonts being used for headings to grab the audience's attention and create engagement. Some common written codes include emphasis, such as how bold text will create emphasis and imply a word is important. Font size, such as how large text will grab attention, draw focus, and imply context for the content that follows. And font types, such as how decorative serif fonts can imply an old-fashioned and classical style or luxury. In conclusion, media codes are the tools and techniques used to create meaning in creative media. Technical codes focus on the practical aspects of production. Symbolic codes delve into the realm of visual metaphors and symbolism. And written codes deal with the language and text elements of media products. By understanding and effectively using these codes, creators can craft engaging and meaningful experiences for their audience.